I have come near my village. It's located beside my house, and this is also a river goes across this river, and it is a weekend day today, and I think I have decided to make video about nature, and around me there is no people, but except some who are working on the field. There are little person. Behind me there is a farmer who is working here, and I am going to show the river properly. The last one video I have said about my river, but I didn't told you about it. But today I have decided that I will tell you about our river little bit. So this place for bathing who are living in this village, but nowadays this place is not proper or is not suitable for bathing because here is a one kind of canal. Lot of a number of soil was cut from here for honor, but also a different kind of grass is growing here, and lot of water hyacinth remains, and it is now totally unuseful for bathing. But you look our river, it's a now there is no if there is no tide time, but it is a nice steady moment, and the current of the river is totally steady. Once upon a time, around 1 decade ago, lot of boats were used on this river for going one place to another place, but nowadays seeing a boat is a rare case because people have no interest to travel by boat except some occasion, because nowadays most of the people use route for going one place to another place. But today I have seen a boat that's coming towards me, but there is no passengers on that boat. It is going somewhere for specific need. Okay, go ahead and I will see more things. This is another place. I think there are some sign of the people's legs, but you're hearing the sound of the boat, maybe. Yeah, but there is a sign of the people's leg beside me. I think nowadays some people use this river for bathing, maybe who are live forward of the route. And overall it's a very wake. Today is a very sunny day as well. Beautiful nature, it looks beautiful, and it is quite sunny that I can't see the sun properly. And now I'm looking for a shadow place where I can talk properly. This is the one kind of cultivate where I'm working on. Most of the field are cultivator field, but these fields are not used properly for cultivated. It is uncultivated, but this field is used as for grass for cow, but it is not being cultivated properly. This is another place. uh, the field has been prepared for cultivating something, and already uh, sugar cane, different kind of seed has been sown. But I think who are doing or who are making or cultivating this field is not expert as a farmer, for this reason, because they are not cultivating properly. Cultivating thing is that a, a specific field must be cultivated on a thing, like a farmer wants to grow cabbage, cauliflower, especially in winter season different kind of vegetables are grown. And so as a farmer he always try to cultivate lot of crops in a specific place, but here it is not happening. Some place uh, capsicum, different kind of tomatoes seed another place is a sugarcane, other is gourd tree. So it is a mixed in a short land. So this is my surrounding I have shared in this video. I hope you have developed your speaking watching this type of video. See you next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.